Bailey says we need to change the wheel on this, so we're going to change the wheel today. First, take your protective cover off so you can get to the blade.
It's just a screw, right? Yep,
Should
it's
probably
just a screw.
turn
Don't
it all
drop
the way
it though.
off, but then you're going to take your 2 bolts. And if you look in here, you see how I got an edge and there's 2 flat spots. And find your 2 flat spots to hold that. And a normal screw is lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. But on this, with it being a spinning machine, it's going to be righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So we're going to unbolt our screw towards you, which is completely weird if you use a lot of screws. It comes off towards you instead of away from you like normal. Slide your wheel off, keep your little washer. Put your new wheel on. Tells you which side's out. Don't always trust that because they sent us one with the thing stamped on the wrong side once. Put your washer back on. Now here's the hard part. Remembering to go left, put it back on. Instead of spinning right. So I'm spinning counterclockwise to tighten it, which is abnormal. Then we're going to try and put this on and not bust a finger again. Nice tight. We got a wheel on.
Here comes the thing that keeps falling off and jumping at us.
Yeah. Try and put that in there while you answer a phone that rings at the same time. Clear locksmiths.
Hello?
That's how you change the wheel, and then you have Bailey cut his first key and measure it all and make sure everything measures right.
Yay, it's all done.
Hit the cut button once maybe to make sure the wheel doesn't come flying off.
Oh yeah, we might want to step back for that one.
There's no key in it. There's nothing. Find my old case.
Now, if you're ever cutting stuff on this thing, it does say to wear eye protection. Metal shards in your eye are not a good idea.
Brass, same difference, not fun.